Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Dell 22 series display, and now I can show you how to improve your display response on this device. Firstly, click on one of these navigation buttons, then click on Settings button. Using these two arrows, you can navigate by this menu. So just scroll down, you open Display by clicking on the right arrow. Scroll down again and change response time. Click on the right arrow again and change from normal to fast. So fast response mode was successfully enabled, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.